Hello everyone, welcome to the Football Poster online training course. In this episode, I would like to walk you through one of the most common, in fact it's not one of the most, it's the top one. After the sales support request, that is resetting the rcfgx file, also the SCR file. As you can see, the poster is not working well. Some strange lines here. It's not the hardware problem, it's a software problem. So next, I would like to show you how to fix it by resetting the configuration file. In fact, this problem can be solved by two ways. One is downloading the file from the poster, which one is working well, and send the file to the poster, which one is not working well. And second is to do the restore factory setting. Okay, let me show you one by one. The second way is easier. Let's do the first way and then go to the second way. First, go to the Wi-Fi and connect our laptop to the poster, which one is working well. As you can see on my left hand, the number of left hand poster is P27, and the number on my right hand is P28. P27 is working well and P28 is not working well. Right now I'm facing the poster right now. So right now I'm connecting to the number 27 and go to the user, go to media player and connect the system. ADMRN SN2008 at plus or in capital. Click OK. Now go to the screen configuration and click next. Okay, go to the receiving card. First, read back. The software that you are using right now might be not the same as what we use in our factory, so we need to read back. Now let's see. After we read back, okay, now we can export it to our laptop and the name it is like P27 poster. Click save. Now we have the file. Also go to the screen connection and export it. Read from the hardware and then save file. It's P27 poster. This is the SCR file. Just click save. Now we have both rcfgx file, also the SCR file. We can close it and disconnect it. Then connect our laptop to the poster, to 28 poster. The 28 ID of the 28 poster is this one. Now we have it. Go to user, media player. Okay, refresh it. It's the P27 poster. It might take like 5 to 10 seconds. Oh, not this one, sorry. Go to the user media player. Now we have it. Connect system and same password, same admin. SN2008 at plus. Okay, click OK. Then go to the screen configuration. Click next. Then receiving card. Okay, then we can import the file from number P27 poster. 27 poster. rcfg file. Okay. Open it. Then send. Okay, this is the one way, but I would like to show you the second way, which way will be more easier. And let's import and run file. I saved it before. It's P28 run file. Okay. Now we send it to the poster. Let's see. Okay, you can see that it's poster is not working properly. I don't know how to describe it, like a mosaic or something. So how do we quickly fix this problem? We can just click restore factory setting. Let's see. Click it, and then definitely all receiving card. Then click OK. Let's see. Bingo. It's solved with just in 1 second. Click OK. Do you want to save? Yeah, definitely. So this is the original file that we have been restored in our factory. Okay. So this way will be much easier and faster.